I did write a blog post on, and I state the basics. What's the basic needs, and then if you want to get a little bit more into cooking and a little bit more, I kind of break it down into 3 ways. But a knife and board, right? And then depending on how you're going to be cooking, are you got a stovetop cooker or do you want to use your oven? So stovetop cooking, you need a skillet, and don't get too small, because then you're boxing in yourself of the quantity of food that you're going to make. You can always make something small in a very big pan.
Yeah.
Yeah, a bigger pan is more versatile.
Does it matter about brand or a certain type of,
You know what? No, I don't think so. Because me as a discerning cook, I haven't noticed the differences between brands. What I have noticed is the thickness of the pan or the thinness.
Yeah.
How the handle is. So I look at how it feels when I lift and hold it, and what else can I say? I'm looking over here because that's where my skillet is sitting over there. A 7-inch chef knife and a cutting board, skillet, spatula, tongs, a soup pot or a sauce pot, right? Something, a couple mixing bowls.